Alright, to remove the fuel filter, it's pretty easy. It's not that hard. Just make sure that when you're into the car, you're being safe and that the car is secure. The tools you're going to need to remove the filter is 5/8 wrench, open-ended, preferably a line wrench. Makes it a lot easier to take it off. And you also need a 5/32 wrench to hold this part of the filter, and the line wrench will be used on the smaller nut. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that now. And the reason for this secondary wrench is so that you don't break it to where it connects to the filter. That would suck if you go to put it back on and it breaks. Doesn't matter if it breaks when you're taking it off. It matters when you're putting it back on, because you'll have a leak and then you have to buy another one, and then yeah, you know how that goes. So you know how to loosen it, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we're gonna go ahead and just go ahead and break it off like that. I think it's pretty loose. Make sure you have a pan to catch all that gas that comes out of that filter, because there is some gas in there. Alright. Pull that out. Just go ahead and drain that right there. Alright. Now for this portion right here in the back, there's a little green tab, like on the top right here. What you'll do is just with your finger, you'll pull that little green tab down. And then once you get it open like that, with this one, you'll just push that tab just back, and it'll allow the filter to slide out. And that's what you don't want to do right there. But hey, it's already happened, so what are you gonna do, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and replace the filter. It's not the original one. The original one is AC Delco. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with this O'Reilly's brand, or brand that they sell. What is it? The Micro Guard. So yeah. Yep, my filter needed to be changed, and the reason I'm doing this video again is because some of the people weren't happy with the way I did it the first time. So I apologize for that. So now I'm going step by step on how to actually take it off and put it back on, and I'm actually guys showing you my work. Got that in there. Go ahead and put that clip back in there. Make sure it snaps. Once it snaps, then go ahead and stick the other end in the filter. Make sure that when you're threading it, you're getting it on there correctly. You don't want to cross thread, so you want to get your other wrench, put it in place so this back nut doesn't move. You don't want that back nut to move, so you get it in position. Get your line wrench. Make sure to hand tighten the nut first, and then you just go in there and then you start tightening it. Once you get it nice and tight, you want to make sure that it's got no leaks. And the way you'll do that is by you'll turn on the car once you put some once it starts building up pressure. You'll be able to see whether it has leaks or not. So I'd like to thank everybody for tuning into the video today. If you liked the video and it was helpful, please hit that like button. And if you like the channel, please subscribe. Hope you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.